Danfoss raises the bar for hose assembly convenience and organization with this innovative workbench offering designed to optimize your workflow and boost productivity. Say goodbye to cluttered workspaces and hello to streamlined efficiency. Introducing the Danfoss One-Stop Hose Shop, a game changer in hose assembly. This isn't just a workbench. It's a fully integrated workstation engineered for maximum efficiency. Its spacious 8-foot countertop provides ample working space, even for the largest projects. Need even more room? No problem. The cleverly designed fold-out wings expand the work surface when needed, providing extra space for larger assemblies or multiple technicians working simultaneously. But the real magic lies in the smart storage solutions. Integrated drawers, racks, bins, and compartments. Keep all your essential tools and components neatly organized and readily accessible. No more wasted time searching for the right part. Everything is right at your fingertips. This means less downtime and more time spent on what matters most, getting the job done. And with the magnetic whiteboard backdrop, you can easily track projects, jot down notes, or share important information with your team. This is also a good location to display the included Danfoss fitting wall charts. The Danfoss One-Stop Hose Shop isn't your average workbench. It's an investment in your team's productivity and your company's bottom line. It's designed to improve efficiency, reduce errors, and create a safer, more organized work environment. Danfoss is committed to developing innovative solutions that address the evolving needs of our customers, said Barb Thompson, product manager at Danfoss. The Danfoss One-Stop Hose Shop is available in 2 configurations. Part number ET2100-13 is a comprehensive bench setup with storage and accessories. And part number ET2100-13-120 is a premium all-in-one package that also includes the powerful and innovative FT1380E electronic crimper package, our 7-inch hydraulic hose saw, and our FT1455 hose cleaning kit. Choose the configuration that best meets your needs. Regardless of which package you choose, ordering is simplified, ensuring a fully equipped workstation ready to boost your team's productivity from day one. Upgrade your hose assembly operation today. Visit danfoss.com/one-stop hose shop or contact your Danfoss representative to learn more and experience the difference.